welcome back to my channel. I'm on break. It's so good, y'all. It's windy here. Let me see if y'all can see it. I don't know if y'all can see. How do I flip this damn camera? But whatever, y'all. See, I'm on the beach. Feels good out here. It's very windy. Just want to come make a quick video. Not a quick video. I just want to vlog a little bit for y'all. Ooh, look at my makeup, my highlight. Look. All these people looking at me like I'm crazy. I know they see me walking. I guess they're gonna have something here. They always have something on the beach. It's so windy, it feels so good. My hair don't shrunk because the wind don't blew it out. The makeup on fleek though. Makeup on fleek. I just wanna say what's up. That ain't my view in the back, but whatever. How y'all doing? How y'all been? I've been good. You know, stressed a little bit, but I've been good. I've been, chilling, working, doing me. You feel me? Anyways, yeah. First video of the year. Happy New Year, guys. I'm gonna try to make more videos. I'm trying to vlog more for y'all. Make makeup tutorials and stuff for y'all. Like, I'm gonna try to get back in my game. I'm gonna try to be consistent this year. I'm gonna try to vlog more than just, doing makeup videos. So I'm gonna try to do that. I just don't be going out as much how I used to. I just be, chilling. I be homebody. I've been laid back. Damn, my face look good. This is this Born This Way Too Faced foundation, y'all. This shit is legit. So my break over, so I get back to y'all later. Today is brush cleaning day. All these brushes I gotta clean, y'all. These I'm actually gonna use like a brush cleaner to clean these brushes, because this is a lot to clean. I mean, I got time for that. These brushes I'm gonna wash with the Beauty Blender cleanser. I took some makeup remover cleaning spray for my job, and I just poured in this old bottle. And I'm about to clean my brushes with these and try to clean all this old stuff. It's just been sitting there. It's time to wash it. Like, look at all this. I'm be tripping. I'm slacking. I know. And after that, I gotta organize my brushes. Put my brushes in my new brush belt. Organize everything, because I do not want to use my Morphe brushes. I still want to use my Sephora brushes, so I gotta clean all these. Put them right here. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all see how I organize my makeup. Like, this is just the ones I use most of the time. And these like some of my palettes over here. I got some in my closet. Yeah, this is the new Urban Decay All-Nighter Freeze Primer, thebomb.com. So yeah, y'all stay tuned.